So I had 2 years ago, I had a knee surgery where I had a torn lateral and vertical meniscus. They removed that. They told me that in a few years I'd probably need a knee replacement. I said, when? They said, oh, you'll know. So fast forward to the spring, and I had a car accident, came in for other treatment for that. About a month ago, I noticed a lot of pain in my left knee. So I mentioned it to Dr. Kyle, and he suggested SoftWave, learning about it. So he gave me brochures. I talked with Stephanie, set up an appointment with her, did a treatment, thought, that was non-invasive, that was easy, and I felt less pain at the end of the first one. So we set up for 8 treatments. After those 8 treatments finished in December, here they just finished, I have felt no pain. It's unbelievable. And I realize it's not covered by my insurance. However, my husband and I have put away for over 20 years in an HSA for things just like this. So I had zero problem taking money out of my HSA to pay for this. It's been life-changing. I can get up out of bed, I can move with no pain. I mean, zero pain. Better than right after the surgery even. Yes, and they also provided me with information that I could research it too. And that's what I kind of do. I research what I want to do. However, I felt very comfortable with Dr. Kyle and Stephanie in their knowledge of this therapy that they were doing. I guess I call it therapy. The SoftWave was something that I knew nothing about. I had not had anything like it in my life and was very happy with the results and the information that I was given. I felt very comfortable moving forward with it. After 8 treatments, which was the setup, I really didn't know how I was going to feel once we were done, and now it's been a month since my last treatment. I still cannot tell you how amazing and how pain-free I am. Even when I get up out of bed in the middle of the night and have to run to the bathroom, I used to have to get the knee going, and now I don't. I've been pain-free enough to not worry about being in pain when I step on my left leg. So I'm so happy with it. I don't know if it's taken away the idea that I'll have to have a knee replacement in years, but right now I don't have to worry about it because I have zero pain. Stuckey Chiropractic, Dr. Kyle, the office staff here, and staff have been so knowledgeable and so helpful and so caring that they're probably going to get a Christmas card from me every year because it's just become a part of my life. It really is a part of my life that has made it better and enjoyable again. Yes, I was kept constantly in the loop of my care. So I was never blindsided by anything. Always, this is what's happening next. This is what's happening right now. Stephanie was so knowledgeable and so caring that during my treatment, when I would ask her questions, including, why do you get earmuffs on and I don't? She was so considerate with just letting me know, very truthful, very upfront with all of the information, letting me know that people have different experiences with this, but mine has been just unbelievable, unbelievable. Well, will I? Have I? Absolutely, I have. I've probably talked about it more than they care to hear about, but I do know people. I work in a school district, and I do know younger kids that have injuries, knee injuries from wrestling, from basketball, football. And I would highly recommend this, and I have highly recommended information. I've taken brochures and stuff and given to those parents even. The SoftWave has been life-changing to me. Stuckey Chiropractic has given me a non-invasive way to get rid of the pain in my knee where I thought I would never get rid of it without having to have an actual knee replacement. They kept saying bone on bone, bone on bone. And when I say bone on bone to Dr. Kyle, he giggles a little bit. And then he says, here's your information.